Are curry lovers getting the best value for their money? Before answering the question, let's look into a few details. Brief overview of the popularity of curry worldwide. Curry's popularity is undeniable. It's a flavor explosion, a symphony of spices that conquers palates worldwide. It has become a staple in households, bringing families together and symbolizing diversity and cultural fusion. Chefs have embraced curry, adding their twists and flavors, creating a culinary work of art. From Indian curry to British curry, there's something for everyone. Curry transcends borders, encouraging exploration and discovery. Its global popularity is a testament to its charm and deliciousness. Once you try it, you'll be hooked for life. 1. The curry industry. Explosion of curry houses and the diverse curry options available. The explosion of curry houses is exciting. New curry houses offer a diverse range of options, from traditional Indian curries to Thai and Malaysian-inspired dishes. Each curry house puts its unique spin on these classics, ensuring a different experience every time. Curry houses are no longer limited to big cities. Even smaller towns hide gems that offer delicious curries, representing vibrant cultures. The diverse options available represent cultures worldwide, telling unique stories through a blend of spices, herbs, and flavors. Embark on a journey through the world of curries and discover flavors that leave you craving for more. Rise of the supermarket takeaway, convenience versus authenticity. The rise of supermarket takeaway is causing quite a stir in the food industry. It's the perfect mix of convenience and deliciousness, offering busy individuals the chance to enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home. Supermarkets have partnered with renowned chefs, using fresh, high-quality ingredients to create dishes that rival restaurants. Some argue that nothing beats a meal prepared by skilled chefs in a restaurant kitchen. While I understand their point, the rise of supermarket takeaways reflects our fast-paced lifestyle. Supermarket takeaways offer convenience without sacrificing taste. Whether you're craving curry, pizza, or sushi, the rise of supermarket takeaways has you covered. It's an exciting trend that combines convenience and authenticity, satisfying both our schedules and taste buds. See negative feedback on the quality of curry houses. Recently, there's been negative feedback on curry houses. While I've always had amazing meals at curry houses, some people have had less than stellar experiences. Complaints include bland flavors, undercooked meat, and poor hygiene practices. Not all curry houses are equal, and unfortunately, the ones that don't hit the mark are getting negative feedback. But fear not, there are still plenty of amazing curry houses serving top-notch dishes. From chicken tikka masala to vindaloo, there's something for everyone. Seek out hidden gems, ask for recommendations, and embark on a delightful culinary adventure. While considering this matter, 2 points spring to mind. Firstly, it is concerning to note the increasing rate at which curry restaurants are permanently closing down. This trend seems to be driven by customers who, armed with mobile devices and access to information, are seeking greater authenticity in their curry dishes. Secondly, supermarkets consistently offer curry as takeaways in either frozen or chilled form. It begs the question, why can't they provide freshly made curry, like ready-to-consume sandwiches? It appears that supermarkets are not taking sufficient action to address the ongoing curry crisis. The crisis: lack of authenticity. A crowded market and the challenge of identifying authentic curry. Venturing through a bustling market or a vibrant high street bustling with colors and people can be an exhilarating experience. However, amidst the myriad of stalls, the real challenge lies in finding authentic curry. With an array of options ranging from Japanese katsu chicken curry to Caribbean curry, the choices can be overwhelming. Amidst the confusion, I ultimately surrender to the temptation of pizza. The quest to identify who serves the authentic curry is not only for me but also the government. The confusion among curry lovers and the role of reviews. Are you a fan of curry? The diverse world of curry offers an abundance of varieties and flavors, which can be quite overwhelming. The initial success of Indian curry houses led to a surge in competitors entering the market, attracted by the low barriers to entry. What started as Indian curry has evolved into a wide array of iterations, including Bangladesh curry, Pakistan Balti curry, Burmese curry, Mauritian curry, Malaysian curry, Sri Lankan curry, Indonesian curry, Singaporean curry, South African curry, Thai red and green curry, Vietnamese curry, and most recently, British curry. What is the genuine one? A question worth £5 billion. The role of Tamils in curry history. Introduction to the long history of Tamils in the curry trade. For over 3 millennia, Tamil merchants played a pivotal role in shaping the global culinary landscape. They introduced the world to Tamil cuisine, known for its bold flavors and aromatic spices, through extensive trade routes across the Indian Ocean. Tamil curries became highly sought after, making Tamil communities thrive in port cities like Colombo, Madras, and Singapore. With the introduction of chilies and many new vegetables by the Portuguese to its Tamil colony of the Jaffna Peninsula, Tamils also refined and innovated curry recipes, creating new blends and combinations that captivated taste buds worldwide. Their influence continues to shape our culinary experiences, from ancient spice routes to modern-day kitchens. Get ready to savor the flavors and immerse yourself in the fascinating world of Tamil cuisine. The diverse varieties of curry found across different countries have origins linked to Tamil curry, extensively explored in my book. These connections can be categorized into two groups: links predating the introduction of chili and those following it. The post-Chili era connections with Thailand, Malacca, China, and Japan were facilitated by the Portuguese through the Tamil colony of the Jaffna Peninsula. However, it's worth noting that trade relations between the Tamils and these countries existed long before the Portuguese influence. For instance, historical Chinese and Korean trade connections and culinary ties with the Tamils have been well documented. For instance, curry in Burma, Mauritius, South Africa, Guyana, Reunion, and the Caribbean was directly influenced by the Tamils who resettled there, either under French or British colonial rule. However, their version may not reflect the post-Chili era, pre-Chili era. The use of Tamil Portuguese curry powder. If you're a fan of bold and flavorful dishes, try Tamil Portuguese curry powder. This unique spice blend combines the vibrant flavors of Tamil cuisine with chili brought in by the Portuguese. It adds heat, tanginess, and aromatic spices to transform your dishes. It works well in traditional Tamil dishes and fusion recipes. Tamil Portuguese curry powder celebrates the cultural heritage and history of Tamils in both habitats. Grab a jar and let your creativity soar in the kitchen. Please be aware that the Tamil Portuguese curry powder has a history of almost 500 years and can be traced back to my islet, which served as the initial exclusive Portuguese Tamil colony. The recipe for this curry powder is a closely kept family secret that has been passed down through generations. C. The distinction between curry powder and curry paste. Curry powder and curry paste differ in taste, texture, and culinary applications. The traditional curry paste of the Tamils is an ancient herb-based ingredient, prepared freshly using a base and rolling stone for special purposes. The curry paste, which is based on black pepper, does not contain any chili. Meanwhile, curry powder, which was brought to the Tamil culture approximately 500 years ago by the Portuguese along with the inclusion of chilies, has now become a customary ingredient in Tamil curry preparation, regardless of their place of residence. Because it is made out of dry roasted ingredients and powdered, it has a long shelf life and is less messy. Medicinal properties of traditional curry. Highlighting the herb-based and curative properties of traditional curry. The conventional curry paste used by the Tamils should not be mistaken for the ones found on supermarket shelves. The authentic version differs significantly from those produced by non-Tamils, as the manufacturers lack an understanding of the purpose behind specific ingredients and it may have preservatives. The importance of preserving traditional medicinal practices. Emphasizing the preservation of traditional medicinal practices involving curry paste is crucial. Instead of immediately consulting a doctor or relying on painkillers, it is important to recognize that minor ailments can be effectively treated using traditional methods, and that's why Tamils still use this ancient practice even in Western countries. Unfortunately, 75% of Indian restaurants depend on this curry paste, and the increasing trend of customers avoiding these establishments is a clear indication of the fundamental issue. The urgency for action. The unfortunate consideration of abandoning curry businesses. Oh, what a tragedy it would be for curry businesses to be abandoned. The thought alone is chilling. Curry businesses are the epitome of culinary delight, bringing people together with their aromatic and flavorful dishes. The rich spices and vibrant colors of curry transport us to far-off lands with just one bite. Losing these businesses would be a great loss to our taste buds and cultural heritage. Curry is not just a dish. It's a symbol of diversity and inclusion, representing the fusion of flavors from different cultures and traditions. Abandoning curry businesses would be like turning our back on this beautiful tapestry. It would be a disservice to the hard-working chefs and restaurateurs who have dedicated their lives to perfecting the art of curry making. The impact of abandoning curry businesses would not only affect our taste buds and cultural heritage but also have significant economic consequences. Consider the jobs that would be lost, from spice farmers to waitstaff. Curry businesses contribute to the local economy, attracting tourists and creating a vibrant dining scene. We cannot let this thriving industry go to waste. In summary, the curry crisis is partially attributed to the permanent closure of curry houses due to a lack of business. We must cherish and support these establishments that bring us joy and culinary adventure. Let us celebrate the diversity and flavors that curry represents, and savor every delicious bite. Long live curry businesses. B. The call for Tamils to reclaim and save their curry heritage. It's time for Tamils to reclaim and save our curry heritage. Our culinary traditions are in danger of being lost, so we must preserve the flavors, techniques, and ingredients that make our curries unique. Our curry heritage represents our culture, history, and identity. Let's take action to ensure our curry traditions thrive for generations to come. Imagine a world without the rich aroma of spices in our kitchens, the sizzle of onions and garlic in hot oil, and the explosion of flavors that tantalize our taste buds. This reality can be avoided by actively preserving our curry heritage. Our ancestors spent countless hours perfecting their recipes, selecting and blending spices, and experimenting with techniques. It is our responsibility to honor their efforts and keep their legacy alive. To reclaim and save our curry heritage, we must start with education. We need to pass down our knowledge and skills to the next generation, ensuring they understand the importance of our culinary traditions. Let's teach our children how to make traditional curries from scratch, how to balance flavors, and how to appreciate the art of cooking. By doing so, we can ensure that our curry heritage is cherished and not forgotten. Furthermore, we must support and promote local businesses to promote authentic traditional curries. By supporting these establishments that need desperate help, we are not only indulging in delicious meals but also helping to keep our culinary traditions alive. Let us encourage these businesses to continue using authentic ingredients and cooking methods, as they are the gatekeepers of our curry heritage. In summary, the plea for Tamils to reclaim and safeguard their curry heritage serves as a rallying cry for all of us to take a stand. Let's value and uphold our culinary customs, passing them on through generations, despite their Europeanization during 450 years of colonial rule. By doing so, we can ensure that the distinct flavors, techniques, and ingredients that define our curries continue to prosper. Together, let's honor our culture and preserve our curry heritage for the years ahead. It's time for us to unite and take action. The potential positive impact on the struggling curry industry. The struggling curry industry has the potential for a positive impact. By addressing challenges like competition, changing consumer preferences, and economic factors, we can ensure its long-term sustainability. Investing in research, innovation, and marketing efforts can create new growth opportunities. Collaborations between industry stakeholders, governments, and culinary experts can promote the curry industry globally. Supporting local curry businesses and encouraging consumers to explore the world of Tamil curry can preserve its heritage and traditions. Conclusion. We've delved into whether curry consumers are truly getting value for their money, and the unequivocal answer is no. Supermarkets are falling short by not providing fresh curry, opting instead to sell frozen or chilled takeaways. The permanent closure of curry houses further underscores the challenges faced by the industry. As curry enthusiasts explore alternatives, the thriving Tamil curry often goes unnoticed. It's crucial to heighten awareness and ensure that the genuine and original version of Tamil curry becomes accessible to all. The potential disappearance of a £5 billion industry is detrimental to everyone's interests. Before lawmakers question them about why they did not take any preemptive measures to address the Great British Curry Crisis, they need to move quickly to address it. Legislators will want to know why they did not take more aggressive measures, therefore they need to move quickly to handle the Great British Curry Crisis. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. By working together, we can make sure that the curry sector has a better, more sustainable future and that consumers receive better value and experiences. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.